Okay, so this problem you asked about, so you're gonna go solve. So whenever I do s, is I do z, so I do 2z times y. Forget the y of s, just the y. Minus, okay, then it's gonna be s times x, so z times x, okay, and then it's gonna be plus 1 equal x plus 3y plus 1 divided by z plus 1. Okay, hope you follow that. Okay, so we're going to solve that equation, and so second 5, 8, 8. And then we're going to type in 3z times x. Again, don't forget the times. It will not be happy for it when a variable times variable. Minus 3 minus 4 z times y equal x minus 15y plus 1 divided by z plus 1. And I have a feeling I divided by s plus 1 before too, so I'm going to go back and look. Make sure I did. I did. God, I knew I did. Should have been a minus 1 on that one, you see. Now, anyway, scroll down. Okay, so we're going to go comma, and we're going to go brackets, x comma y, brackets, parentheses. Here we have this, which is a gross mess, of course. Still faster than you can solve them by hand, though. I'm tell you that right now. So how you doing? All right. So is that what I had last time? No. So what that probably means is I messed up somewhere. I'm going to go back up and double check my work here. Minus zx. So 2zy plus 1 equals x plus 3y. And 3x, no, 3zx minus 3 minus 4zy equal x minus 15y plus 1 over z plus 1. Okay, that does not look like what I have on my previous answer. So I'm going to pause for a moment while I try to figure out what I did wrong. I was afraid of that. It looks like I had a boo-boo there. It looks like this x is the correct answer. The one I have on my answer key apparently is not. But then if you expand those out, so I'll just show you how to expand one of them. So what I do is I just go expand. And let's say I just want to do just the x. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to go back in and get rid of everything that's not the x. Do the same thing with the y when it comes to y's turn to do it. And there you go. And then close that parentheses and then boom. So here's your x. So there you got, that's clearly a cosine. The second one over is clearly a sine of 3t. Then you got e to the negative t, and you got e to the t. Which is correct. And apparently all I had wrong on the other one was I just had some coefficients incorrect. So the final product would have been, oh shoot, the final product would have been the same. In terms of that, it's just the coefficients would have been off. So don't panic about that. Just type in like I did just now, and then just go back and I mean, when you type it in, you get the right answers, and then you'll just see that what I ended up doing was I just script the coefficients is all. So what I'm going to do now is just get rid of all the x paraphernalia. And I hate doing this because I always mess something up. So what I usually do is go over and I just find where the dumb y starts. See what I'm saying right here? I'm just going to go over until I find the y right in front of that y, and then just, and you can get rid of the y too if you want to, but I'm not going to. I'm going to keep it. So then here's the y, and again, there's a cosine. That's a sine. That's an e to the t right there. Apparently there's no e to the negative t on the y value.